If your flow is looking like this when you're pulling a shot, if your group head is channeling water like this, or it's dripping like a leak when it's idle, then it's probably time to clean your DeLonghi espresso machine. I'm gonna show you two ways how to clean your DeLonghi espresso machine. One without any solutions and with vinegar, so naturally, so to say, and one with descaling solution. So make sure to check the timeline below and select the preferred method, and let's get right into it. So first you want to remove and rinse the drip tray, then empty out your water tank, then fill it up halfway through with white vinegar and fill up the other half with just water up to the max line, and then place it back in. Place a big container underneath the group head and then turn it on and wait for it to heat up. Once it's heat up, turn the knob to the right and wait for around 20 to 30 seconds just so you can see here's what's coming out in the beginning. After that, you can do the same thing for the steam one. So you can turn the lever on first and then the knob to the right again, and then the steam one is gonna start descaling. Wait for around 20 to 30 seconds again, then turn off the steam wand and keep repeating these steps until there's no more solution left in the tank, at which point you've done your cleaning cycle and you'll have to rinse your machine with just water. And just to show you as a comparison to what it looks like towards the end of the cycle, this is what comes out now. So much cleaner and more consistent laminar flow. So at the end, you just need to rinse the machine with 2 full tanks of just water so that there's no smell or taste left of the vinegar. And I've tried this, I've tested it, and I can confirm that it does not affect the taste of your coffee. So after you fill up your water tank to the max line, place it back in and repeat the 2 steps. Just run some water through the group head and the steam wand, and after you went through 2 full tanks, you're good to go and you can continue using your machine. And here's what the flow looks like at the end of the cycle. Okay, so moving on to the second method, it's gonna be pretty similar except for one little detail. So in the beginning, again, remove the drip tray, empty out the water tank, and you're gonna need a descaling solution. As you can see, this is for multiple different home appliances. I'll have one from Amazon linked down below. You can read the instruction on the back, but it's usually the whole bottle or half a bottle and then mixed with the rest of the water tank with just water. Put a big container under the group head, turn on the machine, wait for it to heat up, and then run some water for 20 to 30 seconds through the group head, and then switch up to the steam wand, turn the lever on, and then the main knob to the right. This will make solution go to the steam wand and descale it. Repeat these 2 steps until you have half a tank left, and then turn the machine off and let it sit there for 20 minutes. This allows the solution to effectively break down and dissolve any mineral buildup, especially calcium and limescale that accumulated over time. So after a couple of times running some water through the group head and steam wand, I have around half a tank left, as you can see. So I'm gonna turn the machine off and then come back in 20 minutes and continue the same thing. Finish up the whole tank with solution, repeating the same 2 steps until it's completely empty, and then rinse it with 2 full water tanks of just water. Same 2 steps, wait for it until it's warmed up and the okay green light is on. Run some water through the group head and steam wand, and then once you've gone through full 2 water tanks, you can stop and continue using your machine as usual. So that's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It's a free way to support the channel. I recommend going through this cleaning cycle once every 2 or 3 months, and also using filtered water from a Brita water pitcher or any other brands. Using filtered water extends the lifespan of your machine and enhances the taste of your coffee. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more coffee tips and tricks, and I'll catch you in the next one.